India is an adventurous paradise. You head out for a holiday, which quickly turns into a survival situation. A dream turns into a nightmare.
I'm thirsty, I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm lost.
Shelter, water, and food become a priority. A fire to keep you warm. But how? I'm Chandan Lahiri from OTS Survival School. I'll give you some tips and show you some tricks to use in a self-reliant situation. Do not think problems can only happen to other people. It can happen to you. When you leave home for the wilderness, ensure that you have at least a basic protection to guard against the cold. And a basic protection, almost always, is a good sleeping bag. But when you find yourself in a survival situation, often it is when you have left your camp for a short stroll into the woods and then got lost. Your sleeping bag is back at camp, and you're looking at the definite possibility of being exposed to the elements, sleeping a night out without your sleeping bag. You need to find as much protection from the cold as you possibly can. Here's one way you can do that. Take a look. When you're out in the wilderness, one thing that you'll need is shelter. And you have to protect yourself from the elements. It could be hot, it could be cold, it could be raining, it could be snowing, there could be ice. What you need is some kind of shelter to protect yourself from the elements. But in a desert, in a place like this, it's scorching through the day and the sun is beating down. You're getting dehydrated, there's so much of heat loss, and these rocks that I'm standing on, these are hot. You can actually boil an egg on that. But as the sun goes down in the desert, what will happen? Sand is not a good insulator. So the sand is hot in the day, but as the sun goes down, the sand is going to get cool very, very quickly. In fact, even in daytime, if you touch the sand which is getting hit directly by the sunlight and one that is on the shade, you'll perceptibly feel the difference in temperature. And as night falls, it's going to become much, much colder, the sand. But if you find rocks like these will retain their heat far longer, in fact, pretty much through the night. So when you're planning to build shelter, try and look for rocks. And rocks like these will get hot during the day and they will retain that heat throughout the night. And the platform that you sleep on, if that is of rock, if you find a flat piece of rock which is horizontal and not slanting like this, but if you find a flat piece of rock, there's one behind there, and if that flat piece of rock also has another rock which provides you shelter from the wind, that's an ideal place where you can build a shelter. Never underestimate rocks and boulders when you're making shelter, because rocks and boulders, whether you sleep on them or are encircled by them, they are the ones that will keep you warm on a cold, cold, cold night, particularly in the desert, maybe even in the mountains. Even in the mountains at altitude, even at 15, 16, 18, 20,000 feet, the rays of the sun will hit the rocks, it'll warm it up, and that warmth will remain through the night. So whenever you find rocks and boulders, and even if you're half an hour, 1 hour away from your scheduled time of pitching tent and making shelter, I suggest you stop, because you may not find rocks to sleep on further ahead where you're going. So if you find rocks like these, make shelter, either lie on them. These are large, big boulders, so you can actually find a platform to lie on. But even if you find smaller rocks, you can make a shelter with a rock wall and sleep within that. And all that heat from the rocks will radiate in through the night. Just put a roof over your head. You can use your top sheet, make a roof over your head, and these rocks and boulders will keep you warm for the rest of the night. So never underestimate the importance of rocks and boulders. Learn to adapt, improvise, innovate, and overcome. To learn more tips and tricks, visit this site. I'm Chandan Lahiri, and I hope to see you soon at the OTS Survival School. Leave nothing but footprints. Bring back nothing but memories.